In this video, I am going to introduce you to 5 handy Linux commands which will make your development life easier. These commands are available in Windows platforms too, using Windows PowerShell command line. Let's begin. First command is SSH. If you need to log into a remote server, you need to use SSH command. On command line, you type SSH and your username, which in case is Shayan info, and your domain name, and if you are using a port other than standard 22, then you can give the port, otherwise you don't need to specify it. It will be asking for your password. I'm pasting password which is not visible, and it will make you log in to server. Now if you want to download some folder to your local system, downloading it via FTP is very time consuming. If you compress all the files in zip, then it will be very easy to download. So second command is for compressing a folder into zip file. With the command zip -r, give it a name. I already have the files. I'm going to remove them. Here -r means recursive, so it will be recursively creating the zip file, and this download.zip has been created. In case your system does not have the zip installed, then you can use tar command as well. Tar has the following syntax. Here the flag CVF means create verbose and forcefully. So this will create the tar file for you. I'm going to use only the zip file for now, so going to delete it. After zip has been created, challenge is to download this file locally. So third command is for SCP. SCP is for transferring between the files from the systems. So I will go back to my system, and here I will enter the SCP command. I have to specify the port. I have to download the zip file from the home directory, so I am just giving a path to it, and I want to download it into my local directory. So I'm going to give it the name of the directory. It will ask for the password. I am giving the password here. Has given me error that the download zip does not exist, so I have to create a directory, and then I can repeat that command. And you can see that file has been downloaded. The fourth command is to unzip your file which you have downloaded. You can use unzip, and this will extract the file of your zip folder. Last command is to take the backup of database using MySQLDUMP. Many times database backup has to restore from PHP, MyAdmin or other tool. You can use the command line power to create the database. So we will go back to the server, and there we will be using the MySQLDump command to download database. I will be using SSH command to login. Entered my password, and the command is MySQLDump -h means host. My host is 127.0.0.1. That means my local host. -u is the username of the database. -p means that it will prompt for the password. This one is the my database name which I want to take the backup, and I'm using a pipe sign to create a zip file for it. This is a compression level, and with /main I want to create it on my local directory, and I'm giving it a name. So this entire command will be taking a backup using the username and password of the Shayan info underscore sample database, and making it a compression and converting it into a unzip file. It's asking for the password. Now this time the password should be your database password, not the SSH password. SSH password and database passwords are different. So you enter it, and after that you see some percentage. That means it has created the dump and compressed it. And if you can see that this database backup has been downloaded. Now you can go back to your local system and use the scp command to download this database backup to your local system. So hope these commands are very much helpful for you in your development.